name's Ed Grech. I'm the founder of Grech Motors. My goal is to build the best products available to the industry through design, innovation, and quality control. Let me show you how we accomplish this.
Ed Grech is a pioneer and savant to the coach building world, and the new Grech Motors product is truly in a class of its own. The Grech team is the most experienced in the coach building world. With 30 years of coach building experience, they are committed to innovation, research and development, quality control, and attention to detail with a fine-tuned production line process. The quality, design, and craftsmanship are incomparable to any other bus on the market. When your clients demand the highest quality transportation, Grech Motors.